everybody. Welcome to my channel, Crypto Curry. Okay, so if you watched my yesterday video, I predict we're actually gonna go up, right? Because it's the last day of the month, last day of the week. But we do actually go up, since, if you look at our 4-hourly chart, like we actually open here, we go down below, and we try to break above this, average, moving average, but afternoon, everything changed, it just keep selling. I guess people who bought it yesterday from here is actually take all profit. So on the long run, it is looking pretty bad, to be honest. So let's take a look at it on the long run. So you probably can see here. I think if you watch my previous video before, my prediction for this downtrend line is the pre-pandemic line, which is 3,400. And we might gonna this also have some support here, 30, 34 or 32. This is the line I think it might gonna drop like in the next couple of weeks or couple of days. It definitely, because it's already break up, and then I think after hitting this, I think they will have a little bit bonus back. But let's take a look on the weekly. You can see here we might gonna have you see this is low after we forming low. So this is the low. We're gonna break up down further this low. We might gonna forming a pretty good this one soon, but I don't know if it's going to be next week or maybe next 2 weeks. Let's see. So I'm thinking it might gonna be pretty bloodbath in the whole October. I'm thinking, because if you're looking at the macro side, in US there's a midterm election, which is on November 8th, right? So definitely I think there will be a lot of volatility going on October. Also in China, President Xi is actually also being his third time to be elected in his country, right? So this also will be a lot of volatility. And also in Europe, there's a war going on, right, between Russia and Ukraine, and also the energy crisis in Europe is crazy. So in the short run, I'm still pretty bearish on the S&P 500. So we might gonna see another. Let's see how much it might gonna drop. From here, we might gonna see another. The lowest it might gonna have your 5% to 6%, but I would say another 10% from here, really easy. In the next months. Okay. All right. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin, right? That's probably your favorite. So if you look at my previous video, I predicted we will have a bonus back up to 20K, right? We actually hit it today. If you're looking at my whole chart, on the weekly, let's take a look. This is the chart. So let me take a look daily, so it's much easier for you to see. This is the chart, since all the way back to our. You see, this is the November last year. Every time we hit and then be rejected. This is actually the fourth time we've been rejected. Okay, I thought, I'm not thinking, so am I gonna, probably, gonna be break pretty soon. But this time, because of S&P 500, we reject again today. around 20k level. So it is actually also forming a bearish, flag to me. So in short term, I predict they will be having a definitely gonna go down to 70k to 16k level. Okay. So this is my prediction. So let's see how it goes. So if I were you, I might gonna putting a trade around like this level, and stop setting 2800, and then we probably have another, how much it will have if you short here. We will have another maybe 10 or 15% drop for Bitcoin. Okay, let's take a look on the Ethereum. Ethereum also is the same thing. I think it's much weaker, to be honest. Remember, if we're looking at the chart before, we forming this triangle, right? We actually break above and break down. So we never break. It's all this is, after we break down, it's all we try to break back. But I'm thinking once we already break down, we might gonna drop here from this line to around 1100 level here. This is our sell lag. That's what I'm thinking. If you take a look at the Fibonacci, let's take a look. So this line, I'm thinking could be play out, I think, soon. So if it's lucky, this is the first time hitting 1400. This is the second time hitting 1400, and then today it is even weaker. I saw today might gonna go to 1400 again, but it's actually much weaker. It's only getting to 1371. So every time we try to break and try to break above 14, it's even lower and lower. So next time I'm thinking, I don't think about hitting 14 again, but I don't know. Am I gonna? So if I were you, I probably putting a shot around 1350 to 1400 level, and it might gonna drop to, I think the support of this, I think it's 1100 around here. So this is the low I'm thinking. So it might have another 15 or 14 for Ethereum. So if you want to short the Ethereum, I think that's how you're gonna play out. So that's pretty much it. Good luck. If you really like my video, my thoughts, feel free to give me any comments below, give me a like, and also feel free to send it to your friends who like to trade as well. Again, also subscribe to me. Okay, bye bye, see you next time.